Hi guys, sa channel na ito ay nag-share tayo ng mga work from home job for all the mommies or nasa bahay at gustong kumita while stay at home. So not just for a mother but for everyone na gustong magtrabaho online. So dito pala ay mamibigay tayo ng 50 GCash sa subscribe at magko-comment sa atin, and please pakitingnan na lang din ang aking Facebook page, and then you can message me. Mamimili po. Hi guys, another online ESL na naman ang ating pag-uusapan, and this is KI English. Okay, KI. So your student here is Japanese, and um, mali pala yung pagka-pronounce ko dati sa Keyeye. Kasi most of the Japanese, ganun kasi sila eh. Like Kuji-san, Oto-san, um, kaya ako na-doubt ako kung paano ba talaga i-pronounce ito. But the right to pronounce their webs name of their website is KI pala. So let's teach English online. Enjoy teaching English to Japanese students all over the world. Okay. So what do you need? What they need? So send your CV, resume, photo by email at hiringki.email. So this is the requirements or the qualification things you need for applying and starting teaching. So first is you're 18 above, more than 18 above, and must be available to teach peak hour, stable internet connection, Skype, a computer or Skype, headset with external microphone, and webcam. So if you have a built-in webcam, it's okay, and if you have another webcam, maybe it's a plus. Also, so for tutor and students, adjustable schedule. Teacher during your available time by managing your own schedule. Work from home. So work from your home so you don't need to worry about the rush hour and daily commute anymore. You can comfortably work at home. Free Japanese lesson. Yun yung advantage nila dito, because it's really hard for the teacher to communicate their student if you don't know what their language is. Because if you explain your like me, I'm teaching in prep play and my student is Japanese, and it's really hard to communicate your student if you don't know how to explain to them. So the advantage here is they have a Japanese lesson and it's free. So on time payment, and there's this is how you should apply is step one. Apply online demo class, submit your profile on online orientation, and start teaching. Okay, this is the application process. Application. Step 1, send your CV, resume, and photo to HR by email at hiring@ki.email. Make sure that you submit complete and accurate information. HR will contact you through email if you were able to pass the documentary exam. Next is step 2, undergo an assessment. Once the HR contacted you, you will need to contact the facilitator to decide a schedule for a demo lesson. The demo lesson is simulation of an actual KI lesson, wherein your teaching capabilities and lesson environment will be assessed. Remember to read and understand the entire demo lesson guide found in the email from HR. So step 3, orientation. Once you pass the demo lesson, a one-on-one Skype orientation will be given by a trainer before starting lesson with student. The trainer will give necessary information and explanation for tutor. Give your available schedule to your trainer for your start date. Step 4. Complete your tutor profile. Your tutor profile is the student reference when booking a tutor. So you need to submit a profile photo, a movie introduction, and or they mean that video introduction and a written introduction. You also need to include your work experience and your interest before starting lesson with student. Start conducting lessons, start having lesson from the date you and the trainer set in the orientation. The admin and GP office staff are going to support you when you have any concern, question, etc. to ensure a smooth lesson with your student. Um, Yun lang. Your first step is to send your CV resume photo by email at hiringki@ki.email. So let's now ano, how to apply. So meron sila dito if you have any further question. So meron sila dito. You can do your own research about this company also. Do you accept undergraduate applicants? So click natin ito. Okay. Yes, applicant who are 18 years old and above are welcome to apply. Educational attainment is not a requirement as long as the applicant have good command of English language and teach English effectively. Diba? So they don't require if you are a college graduate. So it's advantage also. It's an advantage for us who don't uh, don't have a degree. Oh, yes. Okay. Japanese proficiency is not required, but if you are able to speak basic Japanese, it will be one of your advantage in teaching a class. Yeah. I know how to speak Japanese, but very basic. So that's our advantage also. If you know how to speak Japanese or basic Japanese. No personal appearance is not required. The whole application process, exam, demo lesson, and document submission is done online. So you don't have to go to their office. All you need to do is just you do it online. Okay, the whole application process is online. So it mainly depends on the availability of the applicant. It usually takes 1 week, but it can finish it as quick as 3 to 5 days. Can apply even though I am in another country. You must be currently residing in the Philippines to apply. This is the most advantage of Filipino because most of the most of the company like ESL, they always hiring Filipino teacher, 'di ba? So, if you are Filipino, you can apply now as soon as possible in KI. So, no one you should to be connected active to other ESL schools. So, you should not uh, connected to another online ESL. They are very strict about it. So, if you are connected to another online ESL because this I think they have a lot of student here and they need full-time teacher. So applicant who have experience to teach kids TESOL, GLPT, certified is an advantage. So what are the requirements to become tutor of KI? To become tutor KI, you need to meet the initial requirements below. Must be 18 years old, must be available to peak hours, um, 500 to 900 or 2000. I don't know. I I don't know what is a Japanese time. Okay, and on weekend, anytime Saturday to Sunday, must have access to a stable DSL wired internet connection, must have environment to use computer laptop with webcam, and Skype must have headset. We built-in microphone must be currently residing in the Philippines, must not currently working in other online ESL school. So that's all the information. If you want to know about more about KI, you can do your own research. So, I hope na nakatulong itong video na 'to, and please don't forget to like and subscribe sa aking channel for more videos.